Hey, Kat Chancellor here with Stamp Art Connection, StampArtConnection.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I want to show you my annual catalog haul from my demonstrator pre-order that just arrived. Now, what's interesting is that I have this little sheet here that has all the colors that are new on our in front of the annual catalog. So this kind of introduces us to the new catalog colors, and there's one more color. So just on the cover of your catalog, if you've received a catalog, you will see these three or these five new colors that are part of the catalog. We've also have Lost Lagoon, Pebbled Path, which is a really pretty, that's a really nice neutral, Boho Blue, and here are our naturals: Copper Clay, Wild Wheat, and Pecan Pie. That is really, those are some really interesting colors. Let me go back and see if I can find them over here. These are just showing the colors on the different pages of the annual catalog. And since I can't open the annual catalog, I'm not going to bother with them. But those are just all the neat colors. Now, because I have so many colors, I did invest in these. Now these are your open storage, and I like the open storage. Let me just move, because this is where I'm going to keep my inks. And I'm going to show you these because if you haven't considered them, I think they're pretty cool. But additionally, I think you need to know, and I'm just going to put these are little rubber grommets that go in the bottom. I'm just going to kind of put this aside for now. You can see that tells you what to do, because I'm going to use these. And let me go ahead and open up this. For just to store all my new stamp sets, because I have a ton of new ink sets. And then this goes like this. So you put this here like this. Oops, wrong way. Okay, I think it's this way. Yeah. There, and there's my little tray. Now, I'm showing you this because I'm going to store all my stamps in here like this. And you can see, because these are so, you can actually get, look at that, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can get 7 stamp sets in there, and then you can always put 2 up here, and there you go. You've got your stamp sets. Now, the reason why I think this is really cool is because this is on the this price. The price for this product is going to be increased in the new annual catalog. So if you want to get that, you want to get this now. Okay, because that is going to increase. So I'm going to just put that aside. Okay, the new ink colors are Copper Clay, Wild Wheat, Boho Blue, let's see, Moody Mauve, and Pebbled Path. Should be here somewhere. Pebbled Path. Oh, here it is. So this is Pebbled Path. Okay, so these are the new ink colors. Let me move these aside. And you can see how very nice these fit. How very nice these fit in my little case here. So I have those. Now, this, I think, is one of the... This is just a gorgeous, gorgeous set. I love this set. I'm going to show you the paper first. Okay, this is the paper. And it's all about these daisies. And that is just really pretty paper. Isn't that pretty? Just, oh, I love those colors. Look at those colors. Moody mauve, copper. It's just really pretty. Oh, that's really pretty. And then these nice little pieces you can cut and make cards out of there. So that's an idea. And this is called, this DSP is called Fresh as a Daisy. And it goes with this stamp set and these dies. So let me just open this up and look at these dies. Oh, those are nice. Look at that. Oh, look, these layer nicely. Look at that. Those layer. Oh, I love how bold these are. Oh, those are really pretty. Oh, that's one whole. Look at that. That's one whole stamp right there. That is pretty. And I guess this, oh, look, it coordinates with this, I'm sure. So these are photopolymer. Now this piece here, I get rid of. And just so that you know, to get a photopolymer stamp set ready to stamp, you grab one of these erasers here. I have this one. And I just run that across the back of my photopolymer stamp. And what it does, it just kind of gives it enough of a surface where it can absorb the ink very easily. But I just wanted to see, well, this cuts that. So I think some of these are actually coordinating. Yep, look at that. See, that coordinates on top of that, which this one cuts out. Oh, so there's lots of neat things you can do with all of these stamps here, which also coordinate. So there's a lot of really neat things going on here. And you made my day. Oops a daisy. Wishing you the brightest birthday. Your friendship means everything. So this was my favorite of the pre-order suites that we were allowed to order. So I'm going to have fun making a card. And I have a card in mind for this, which you will see probably next week. So that's called the Cheerful Daisies and the Cheerful Daisy dies. And here's the DSP. And I don't know if these came with it, but here are some wonderful in color dots that I got for our in colors, and that will coordinate nicely with that. I don't see anything else. I think that's pretty much it for that set. Another set that kind of caught my eye is, let me make sure, Timeless Origins, Wonderful Thoughts. I have a couple of things here. Now these dies and stamp sets. Okay, these are the Wonderful Thoughts. So let's look at this one. Wonderful Thoughts, yeah. This is Timeless and this is Wonderful Thoughts. Now I thought this was kind of neat because these dies here cut out all the thoughts from this set here. Look at that. And it has these neat little flower dies in here. So I thought that was, so each one of these fits perfectly in one of these like this one here will fit perfectly this sentiment right here. And that just fits perfectly right in there. So that is a neat way to cut around some of your sentiments. And they've got some wonderful sentiments I really liked here. This is only the beginning of a life filled with love. So happy that you are my person. Thanks. Hello. You can do amazing things. I'll listen to your silence when words are just too much. My heart will always be tied to yours. Just some really nice sentiments that you can always use, but with the added benefit of kind of giving you a little bit more flexibility, because you could certainly, you know, cut this with a pennant or a circle, and for any kind of card that you may be creating. But with this bundle, you then can cut out the entire word, and I'm going to be excited to kind of show some neat ways that you can do this. Timeless arrangement. Let's look at these dies. Oh, this is pretty. This offers these dies here are meant. I need to just very kind of carefully pull these up. I'm going to have to put them on my magnetic board. But they cut out and you have a sentiment that goes here. But what's kind of interesting about them is that you can layer, if you layer these like this, you can see how they kind of layer on top of each other like that. So you can have like a green background. These are little flowers. And here's another die here. So when you layer them, it kind of offers some neat layers for a little sentiment, and that's what you get in these little sentiments here, which are: you make me smile, you are so kind, you're my everything, I really appreciate you, you are the best, thanks for being my friend. So I thought this was this is very different. So I wanted to get something that was kind of different than from what I've seen before, and I'm going to be playing around with this set as well. And this is called the Timeless Arrangement. So stay tuned for my blog and that to see some cards made with those. Now the last set or bundle that I got was this one called the Circle Same. Primarily because I love punches, and this is a 2 3/8 punch. It's an awesome size to have in my craft room. So I'm basically buying the punch, but then it offers some pretty nice sayings here. And then you have flowers, seashells, you have sentiments, thinking of you, sending you, celebrate, and then they have some cupcake, the ocean and the sun, sun rays, and then you can say here in the middle, happy birthday, sending you a smile today, celebrate because you're awesome, warm hello. I mean, just some really nice, something different. Hadn't seen something like that. So that is that bundle. And then I just picked up my paper packs. And what I do is I get 2 paper packs of the in colors, and that's kind of how I begin to, of course I have in my order, I have Whisper White, which I need all the time. But I buy 2 of these, and that pretty much starts my, this is the in color, the 2023 in colors. And then these are brights and brights. I think I bought some of these new colors. And I think that's really it. I didn't buy a lot out of the pre-order, primarily because I'm kind of watching my budget, but I wanted to make sure I got the inks, the new inks, because it just starts, for me, it's kind of a baseline for a new stamping catalog. Since so much of the DSP has some of the new colors, I opted for that. And then I got these little containers, which are going to go, which the price is going to go up in the new catalog. So you want to get these. You want to get these now. So I hope you enjoyed quick run through of what I got, and what you can look forward to. This is Kat Chancellor, Stamp Art Connection, stampartconnection.com. Happy stamping.